Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. I am showing day 9 through day 16 of the Space NK Advent Calendar from 2023. I'm showing each item individually and telling you what I think of each item. And this is the middle section of the Advent Calendar. So there will be 3 videos. I'll put video number 1 below. This is video number 2. So day 9, we got 2 products. We got the Rose Ink Ultra Black Lash Lift Serum Mascara. And this is formulated with peptides to strengthen and lengthen. It also contains nourishing argan oil and goji berry extracts to help protect your lashes. And very pretty packaging. And this is really interesting, this component. And I have used it a couple of times. I am just going to be swapping out my mascaras, and I'll do a video on that because I use more than one mascara at a time. But this, I did use it a couple of times. It is slightly curved, and my cats are going crazy. And it has little tiny bristles they're very, very tiny. And it is plastic, like a rubber maybe. And it does coat nicely. I have it on now, as I have on the Charlotte Tilbury palettes and the Hourglass Lippy from days 1 through 8. But that is the wand. So I'll tell you more about it as I use it more. But it's very, very attractive, something different. There, it's pressed in rose ink here, and of course it's in black. Yeah, it just says black on that end. I don't know that you can see that. And then it also came with day 9 came Rare Beauty. This is the Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner. And this is different. I have it on. It says with ultra black pigments, this liquid liner can be used to create the perfect eye look. It has a matte finish and will not smudge, streak, or feather. When you first use it, it's extremely wet. So for me, it's difficult. There it says Rare Beauty. I have to wait for it to dry. It's a beautiful brush. Let me show it to you. It's very beautiful. It goes on. It would be wonderful for someone that really knows how to do their wings, because it just is a really nice fine point. And let's see if you can see how you can make it thick, you can make it thin. It's very wet, and see how that is, how beautiful that your ends can be. And I'm not really good at that, so I need more practice with it. But it's very nice. And see, now almost immediately it's drying, but at first it's very wet, so you feel like, I feel like I'm gonna make a mistake, but it dries really nicely. So that is Rare Beauty. That's day 9. And then day 10 is this, I should tell you, the Rose Ink, the mascara is $28 value, and the Rare Beauty is $21. Now, I did look on Space NK. Their prices are a lot higher than a lot of the the products that we can get in the States. I looked at the websites for each product where they're made with their website. So you might be able to find these products at Ulta or Sephora for a little, on sale or cheaper. But I'm giving you the prices from the websites from each product line. So this is Naturium Niacinamide Serum 12% plus zinc 2%. It's formulated with a niacinamide, vitamin B3, and zinc. This soothing serum works to balance excess oil, refine, and purify. And this is a $17 value. This is very heavy. It is a coated glass, very pretty packaging. But I don't have these problems, so I won't be using this. It's a waste for me to use it, so I'm not going to. A lot of you all have family that if you don't have oily skin, then you might have a daughter or a son that has oily skin that might like something like this. I could put this in a giveaway. I also have my, she's sort of a family member of mine. She's 16 and she's beautiful. And I gave her a huge bag of goodies for Christmas. She likes makeup, she likes skincare, and she came to see me today, and she had been using some of the acne products that I gave her, and her skin is looking just beautiful. So it's already working. So I may give her something like this. I may give her this. We will see. You know, because I gave her a bunch of stuff, so we'll see when she needs more. But I'm happy to pass things like that on to people. And next is the Tula Skincare. I don't have the package for this one because I've already been using it. This is the Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This is $38. They have this in pink and blue. I'm pretty sure, almost positive, that the blue is the original. And the pink is a rose, bit of a rose color to it. And then this one they call Gold Glow. And it is for under your eyes. And now they say you can use this with makeup on or without. So let's see. See, now I'm trying to be careful not to pull under my eyes. Don't pull. So when you're using something like this, be gentle and careful. And it's immediately cooling. And then when you tap it, it's already drying. So it's supposed to just help. It doesn't have a scent, but this one is a bit of a gold. You can use it as a highlighter, it says, as well. If you can see, it's got a sheen to it. I don't really see a sheen under my eyes. But it's supposed to help with your under eyes. And I've only been using it on my nightly skincare. But something that, you know, you could use it anytime. Anytime you need a refresh is what it says. So it's formulated with caffeine. So it's supposed to help tighten the area around the eyes. This cream also contains hyaluronic acid to hydrate and blueberry to protect delicate skin. So it's just very beautiful in the gold. I've had it before in pink and I've had it in blue. And to me, they all do the same thing. They don't really add much color, but they could add a little color if you want. If you want to use it as a highlighter or something. To me, it's just perfect. It just feels very cooling under my eyes, almost like I put a nice wash rag under my eyes. It feels really good. Day 12 was the Bread Beauty Supply. It was a hair oil everyday gloss. I believe I put that in the Christmas treasure hunt giveaway, so I don't have it to show you. It looked like a perfume bottle. I can show you the picture. It was $14 value. This is what it looked like, if y'all remember. And there were 2 items in day 12. The other item is this Color Wow, and what's silver, so you can't see. It does say Wow, W-O-W. It's the Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, and it is very nice. I use different products on my hair after I wash my hair, and then I blow my hair dry, and before I blow it dry, I put something on it, something that's going to be maybe I need, you know, for lifting or whatever. This is it says Supernatural Spray magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. It makes my hair very shiny and beautiful. I did not use it last night when I washed my hair. I used something else this time. So, but it makes my hair look nice and straight and shiny. And I really like it. I've had it before. This is my 3rd or 4th bottle of it. It's small, but it is powerful. It's good stuff. It's very thin like water. And this lasts a while. It's very nice. I like it. That is valued, because it's a deluxe sample, it's valued at $12. And then day 13 is this brand Necessaire, the body serum, and it's fragrance free. This is a nice large bottle. This is a $45 value. It is formulated with 5 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. This body serum works to provide multi-level hydration to help minimize eczema, crepiness, and dryness. So I'm thinking, since it can relieve some crepiness, you might be able to use it on your face. But I like, if it's a body item, I don't like to use it on my face. But that's just me. Everybody's different. It's very, very nice. I've been using it. A few of you told me I must try it because it's wonderful. Ooh, that pumped out quite a bit. I didn't mean to get that much out. But it is a nice thick cream, and it goes in nicely. No scent, which is very nice, because then you don't have to worry about being allergic to any, especially if you're going to use it on where you have eczema. that really pumped out more than I expected, y'all. So let me get that worked in, and then we'll go on to the next item. I have this on my hand, so I can't really put it over here. But it is, it's very nice. I've been using it mostly on my arms and my chest, and I have used it on my legs as well. And it's just nice and moisturizing. So, but again, something that $45 value for, it's 5.1 ounces. You know, I wouldn't be able to buy that on my own. So it's nice to have these bougie things, you know. Come on, Camille, go on through. Day number 14 is Summer Fridays. It is the jet lag mask valued at $49. So, all right, now it's done. Now it's in. So this is the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. As you can see, I haven't tried it yet. $49 value. I had something, this is a metal tube, and it'll be one of those, oh no, it isn't sealed. I think I remember that now. It doesn't have a scent to it that I can smell. It is, I had, not this brand, but something like it. That was a jet lag cream, and it was way too thick. I didn't care for it. So I was sort of not using this right now. I may use it. I'm trying to see. It's clean, non-comedogenic, which is nice, fragrance-free. Where does it go? It says, this hydrating mask is designed to drench tired or stressed skin with hydration and nutrients for a renewed, radiant look. Is that going to be for your face? Busy lives can leave skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Used as a nightly mask. So this is for your face. It says used as a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight skin saver. Our enhanced fragrance-free formula helps nourish, hydrate, and soothe with niacinamide, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and antioxidants. So it sounds lovely, leaving skin looking renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. Well, I'll tell you, it says that in flight, I think most products can only be 3 ounces or less, and this is 2.25 ounces. So you might be able to carry this on a plane. Personally, to me, it looks too big for a plane, but it says 2.25 ounces. So I don't know. I'd have to investigate that further if I was to take that on the plane with me. But that looks nice. Okay, day number 15 has 3 items. So the first item is the Kosas, K-O-S-A-S. You can see it right here. Maybe it's just embedded in the gray. And this is the Wet Lip Oil Gloss in Exposed. I have so many things like this. I haven't opened this. This is a full size, and it's $22 value. Packed with hydrating actives, this lip oil helps leave lips looking plump and juicy without drying out the skin. It is a lip plumper. It's gorgeous. You can see the sparkling. I don't know if you can see that it's sparkling like crazy. It's gorgeous. And then also, there were 3 products. There is a $19.99 brand lip pencil, precision color pencil in Nutura, and that was a dark brown, I want to say, and I think it might be in the Christmas treasure hunt, I think, because I can't find it, or I've put it in another giveaway since then, and that was valued at $26. It was too dark for me. You can use dark pencils and make them lighter with your lipstick, but I have like 8 pencils going, so I just didn't want to use it. So I know I've already given it away. And then the third item is Laneige brand sleeping mask, lip sleeping mask, and I got chocolate. There were different, well, no, I think maybe everybody got chocolate in the calendar. So this is really nice, but this is huge. It looks small, but for your lips, what you need to use is you need just hardly anything. It smells and tastes like chocolate. I've been using it. It came with this cute little thing. How cute is that little spatula? But you know, you put on what you need, and it'll take forever. It'll take forever to use it, forever. But it smells wonderful, and it's also very sticky. So I haven't been using it before I go to bed because it'll stick right on my pillowcase. So I've been using it at night when I'm doing my skincare. I do some lip care as well. And that's what I've been doing with that. And then day 16 is the Biossance Squalane and Vitamin C Rose Moisturizer. Did I tell you this was a $24 value, you all? All right, this I don't have. Again, it must be in something. This is valued at $56, y'all. Vitamin C and Rose Moisturizer. I have had products from Biossance before, and they're nice, very nice. That's the Squalane and Vitamin C, but I have too many other things that I'm using and too many other things that I prefer. So I haven't done it. I think I gave it away already. I should have also said in day 16, there were 3 items. So that was the first one. And the second is the 111 Skin. These are eye masks. So if y'all remember way back a few years ago, we all got it in Boxy, these 111 Skin masks, sheet masks that were just wonderful and expensive. Everybody got a set of 5. I got more than that because I bought more. And they're a thin gel, or a thick gel, I should say. And then it's hard to do on a Mask Monday because they slide off. But it's just wonderful. And I've seen Hollywood makeup artists use it, and then they take it off of the actress's face and they put it here on their chest while they're doing their makeup. Wonderful. So there were 3 for the eyes. It comes in a package of 8, but we got 3, and these 3 are valued at $42. They're $14 a piece. $14 a piece. And then the third item in day 16 is Lom Rescue Mask. Now, I've gotten this a few times now, and I haven't tried it yet because I'm not really much of a mask person, because masks to me can be drying. But I've heard so much wonderfulness about this. Is just wonderful. It does say clear up congested skin and brighten a dull complexion with this multi-award-winning face mask. So I'm just going to put a little, I'm going to use it. Oh, it did say to shake it. How do you shake a tube? But that just came out all water. So let me clean that up real quick. And I don't know if I can, oh yeah, I guess it does shake. I was going to just put a little on my hand so you could see what it looked like. Because I thought if it's, they're showing it like, it looks like a white kind of moisturizer. So it does shake in there. I can't believe it. I just wouldn't think that a tube would shake. So let's try it again. It feels very thin still. But I thought I could maybe do it on a Mask Monday. Okay. So that is more blended now. And it says on this tube that you would put it on and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Of course, clean your skin whenever you use a mask. Apply over the entire face, avoiding the eyes, and then to wash it off. So it has a little bit of a scent, almost like maybe a little mint scent or something to it. So maybe we'll do it on a Mask Monday coming up. How neat that I can actually shake it in here. I'm so surprised by that. So that is day 9 through 16. And then I'll have one more video with the last of the items. And there must be mint in here because I can feel it tingling on my skin. So now that might not be something that my skin is going to like. So if you have, it says if there's signs of irritation, take it off immediately and discontinue use. But it's not bothering me. I just can feel the tingling. But if you use something like that and it does start to bother you, take it off, because you could end up with an allergic reaction to it. Okay, so I'm telling you that because it's happened to me before. So that's it, y'all. Take care and count your blessings. Bye bye.